So I'm going to do a vacuum leak test next. Just check for any vacuum leaks. I bought a Stinger smoke machine to test that out. Never used one before, so we'll see how this goes. Basically it just uses mineral oil to make smoke. Hook it up to your battery to heat that element inside. And it pressurizes the intake to 1 psi. And then you just check for smoke for leaks. So I'll get this set up and then we'll go from there. So I just picked up some cheap mineral oil from Walgreens. They say for first use you just saturate this wick as much as you can. Fill up the bottom till the bottom right there where it starts to curve. So they say to plug this thing in where the brake booster line goes in. Let's see if I can pop that off quick. So we got the Stinger hooked up. It's a regulator down to 1 psi here at this regulator. And it's hooked to the manifold where the brake booster normally hooks up. And then for power for the heating element, it just hooks to the battery. And once you hook it up, it's on, so you can only leave it hooked up for about 10 minutes at a time, maximum. So it should be smoking now, and then we can just turn that on. I've got the intake plugged off with rags here. Get you guys down in here and see if we can see anything. Looks like it's coming right out of this fitting here. So let's put a hose clamp on that, tighten it up, and then see if that makes a difference. So it's definitely leaking around this valve here. So you can put a hose clamp on this. And then try it again. Alright, hook up the smoke machine, let it heat up for just a few seconds. And turn the valve on for the tank. See what we get. Alright, one last try to see if I can catch this on camera. So I'm still working with a Stinger. I had a leak around this idle control valve, so I put a hose clamp on it. I've also got a leak down here someplace. So let's see if we can see it. They're always in the worst spot, of course. There it is, the split hose right there. Would have never found that without this Stinger. So that wraps up the Stinger test. The Stinger smoke machine was definitely a huge help finding these vacuum leaks. I had one pretty good one right on this idle control valve, and the other one is way down back behind the motor. Just some bad hose that looks like it's rotten and kind of worn through. Those would have been really tough to find without this thing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.